The Mackay Repair Centre is a component rebuild facility that services Bowen Basin BMA assets and mainly for mobile fixed plant assets. We do mainly powertrain components for 797 Ultra Class fleet, 793 mid-class fleet and D11 and D10 dozers.
Well, we have a lot of learning like electronics here. We have the free will to do what we can do to improve things.
People should work at operations services because we've got a lot of tooling here. A lot of other workplaces have had to supply my own. You get to learn different skills. We're doing different components. Got an air-conditioned workshop, so yeah, it's pretty good working here.
Our roster here is Monday to Thursday, 6 till 6, so we've got it really good. Off every weekend. We're not working night shifters here as well. We're home every night.
Our component fitters have a range of skills and experience at OEM, mixed trades. Some are between 8 and 13 years in the industry, so quite a diverse range of knowledge and skill sets.
I enjoy teaching maintenance associate. I try to share all my ideas.
They always double check that I understand what I'm doing, and I'm never shy to ask them questions as well.
My next role is reliability engineer, off the tools. Yeah, I'm looking forward to that one. Supervisor, he's really good with that. Always sort of making sure we're progressing forward to whatever goal we've written down.
One of the main reasons that you should come and work for us is the fact that we actually bring all of those knowledge sets that you bring to the table into the environment we work in. You're part of improvements, you're part of understanding what's going on in a component, but you're also providing that feedback to the mine sites with reliability to get better, and we continuously improve on a day basis.